The question. The graph below shows the number of visitors to 3 different museums in London between June and September 2025. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. How to write it. The 4-step recipe. Keep your answer simple with a 4-paragraph structure using around 150 words. Step 1. The introduction. Just take the question and rewrite it in your own words. Use illustrates or displays instead of shows, and say the amount of people who visited rather than number of visitors. You can start your answer with, the line graph illustrates how many people visited 3 museums in London over 4 months in 2025. Step 2. The overview. This is the key part of your answer. Look at the graph and explain the 2 most obvious patterns without using figures. Think, what went up? What stayed steady? Which museum was the most popular? Example, overall, the British Museum continued to attract the highest number of visitors, even with some fluctuations, while the Natural History Museum saw the biggest increase in August. Step 3. Body paragraph 1. Now add numerical details for 1 or 2 categories. Focus on the British Museum and the Science Museum. Example, the British Museum had 600 visitors in June. Although there was a slight drop in July, numbers climbed to a peak of 750 by September. The Science Museum, on the other hand, stayed steady at around 400 visitors throughout the period. Step 4. Body paragraph 2. Finally, describe the rest of the data, especially for the Natural History Museum. Example, the Natural History Museum began with only 200 visitors, the lowest among the 3. In August, attendance jumped to 600, but by the final month, it had decreased to 300. Pro tips for success. 1. Don't include your opinions. Stick to the data. 2. Use comparison words like however, in contrast, and similarly. 3. Don't list everything. Highlight the important points, the highs, lows, and biggest changes.